la hacían en Alaska con un frío cabrón.
Yeah, go ahead, bring it in. How's your flight? Good? Good. Good?
Not bad.
Not bad.
Could be better.
Could be better. You guys want to take some pictures, walk around? Yeah? That's probably why you came up to the glacier, right? Walk around and take pictures. Before we walk around and take pictures, let's just do a quick safety speech. First off, we'll walk together, okay? There's dangerous crevasses you may have read about, may have seen pictures of. If you walk too far, you're going to walk where I can't see you and you'll fall in a crevasse. It's very bad. We all agree on that, right? So yeah, let's stay together. My name's Sam, I'll be your glacier guide. Yeah. Hi guys.
Hi.
Followed by myself, we have Lauren, we have Aspen.
Hi, Lauren. Hi,
Hello.
Also great glacier guides. Any questions you have, you can reach out to any one of us. We're all guides. So, you guys ready to go walk? Look at some cool stuff?
Yo no. No.
Oh, you don't want to? Yeah, we can stay here. Yeah.
Asma.
Yeah.
Ya llegué aquí. No.